everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Catherine again. In my channel, I talk about house renovation, home decoration, and some tips and tricks that can help you organize your beautiful home better. Today, I'm going to do a room tour on one of my favorite parts of the house, my walk-in closet. Like every other girl, I've always been dreaming about having a walk-in closet, not because of its aesthetic look, but also because of its practicality. However, to spare one entire room just to store clothes and shoes sounds like a luxury to have, especially for a small terraced house like ours. So, where on earth did I squeeze in our walk-in closet? Follow me and keep on watching. In my last video, I have shown you a snap of the design of our loft. And yes, my walk-in closet is located right under the loft eaves next to our master bedroom. Here is the staircases to the loft. We enter the loft from this door, then we turn left after coming into the master bedroom. Here we are at the walk-in closet. As a result of a loft conversion, you will end up having a room with awkward roof heights. Flat roof with full height at the back of the house, but sloped roof on the front of the house. Some households put the bed directly under the sloped roof, leaving a full height area for a wardrobe. Personally, I really don't get these designs at all because space with reduced height will cause stress. Either you walk, stand, especially when you're trying to sleep. On the other side, I genuinely think I will hit my head when getting up from the bed in the middle of the night. So it left me with no other choices but to put our bed in the full height area and try to optimize the eaves with a walk-in closet. First of all, let me give you a quick tour of the entire walk-in area before we dive into each detail. We made a partition wall between the bedroom and the wardrobe. In this way, the wardrobe area became almost a room on its own, making it more like a walk-in closet rather than just a wardrobe. Using this wall, I made two full-height wardrobes with hanging rails to store sweaters and winter coats. On the top of the wardrobes, I made this open shelf for storage of suitcases or anything we don't use that often. Don't worry, I will share all the dimensions of this walk-in closet at the end of the video, so keep on watching. In addition to these two wardrobes, there is this wall with sloped height. I made some shelves to store my handbags and three big drawers at the bottom for foldable clothes. Coming this way onto this side, which is the side with the lowest headroom, I made more drawers for our underwear and loungewear storage. In these two corners, I designed two hanging areas to store jeans and some short tops. You can see I didn't push the unit to the top, just like what you see here in the picture, because I felt I would be benefiting from some work tops when I fold clothes after laundry. On the last side of the wardrobe, there is this sloped height again. I installed some shelves for folded hoodies and sweaters, and also a full hanging area for long dresses. Because of the sloped roof, it is not that practical to install doors for the unit due to the reduced room height. In addition, having doors to the unit will just increase the price tag again to the already very expensive bespoke unit. Therefore, I went bold with open plan. However, at the beginning and even now, I heard so much critiques about the drawbacks of open plan. Yes, of course, in an ideal world, I would like to have doored units as well. However, I think open plan is probably the most economical and efficient solution for a walk-in closet like ours because of the space limit. If you are afraid of dust, you can slot your unworn winter coat into storage bags like these. For handbags, just keep them inside the dust bags before putting them onto the shelves. For shelves, I didn't use the same depth for all of them. From my past experience, some shelves don't get optimized if they are too deep. For example, if you now go to your wardrobe and take out a folded sweater, I'm sure the depth of your sweater won't be as deep as 60 cm, which is the standard depth for a wardrobe. Therefore, by making some shelves a little bit shallower, you don't waste space. For example, on this side, I made the shelves only 40 cm depth, which is a perfect depth for handbags, knitted hats, and some worn clothes for overnight. However, please do keep in mind that the drawers underneath might end up being shallower as well, just like mine. For me, this depth is perfect for folded t-shirt, Look at these. Our t-shirts get queued up nicely in the drawers and you can see clearly which one is what. But this might not be the way of how you want to organize your wardrobe. So think twice about what you want to store in this type of drawers before making the decision of cutting the depth of your drawers and shelves. One of the biggest drawbacks of having open plan closet is privacy. However, drawers can help you compensate the loss of privacy by concealing your underwear, small accessories, and some wardrobe tools such as needle and thread. In my tiny walk-in, I installed 9 drawers, which I believe is quite sufficient for such a small space. All my drawers are of different sizes, which makes it easier for storing different stuff. In our previous flat, I didn't have a dressing table and I needed to stand in front of a mirror to do my makeup, which I was so tired of. If you have a loft, you would know that there is always a door to access the eaves storage, leaving the space in front of this door kind of wasted. However, we don't need to access the eaves storage that often. Therefore, I upcycled my old desk from the previous flat and put it here to make myself a dressing table. It is 100% mobile. When needed, we can move the table to access the eaves without effort. When designing a wardrobe, please remember to have enough space for clothes of different lengths. For me, I have a 1 meter wide hanging rail for coats and long winter wear, another 1 meter double hanging rails for blouse, cardigans, and short coats. On the 2 corners, I made crossed hanging rails for jeans, pants, skirt, and tops. In addition to these, I also got a 40 cm wide full-length hanging space for gowns and knee-length dresses. I can't say I've absolutely got enough space for everything, but I think this is a very good starting point. I'm using this wardrobe now together with my husband, and so far we didn't find it crowded yet. One good tip I would like to share with you all is please do go through your wardrobe and make good notes of all kind of clothes you have, especially the quantity if you can. It is very painful, but I can guarantee you it is so worth it. This is what I did when I was designing the wardrobe, counting the amount of clothes we have. Also, if you're like me replacing old hangers with new unified hangers, this also tells you how many hangers you will need to buy. Okay, I tried to summarize all the tips that I can recall which dictated the design of my small walk-in closet. As you can see, it is not that difficult to make good use of a small space to have a walk-in. However, if I missed anything, but you are very interested in knowing my decision-making process, please don't hesitate to leave me a message in the comment box below and I will try to address them all in my replies. Last but not the least, if you do find my video very helpful, please give me a thumb up. I'll keep uploading videos about house renovation and home decoration. If you don't want to miss out, please click on the subscription button below and let's join the journey together. I upload video every Friday at 7 p.m, so I'll see you next week. Bye bye!